one po is limited edition as per Louis Vuitton, sir. This one po, I think this is 480,000.
180,000.
Yes, sir.
For the camera bag.
Are you going to use it for
Max na. Sakin na yun eh.
Mayor Vilma Caruwag. Palakpakan po natin. Okay, and of course, the CEO of Zoniarc. Put your hands together to the very beautiful Shinjay Nalut, and of course, Mr. Mark Mercado. Alright, so we are about to start with the ribbon cutting, but before that, do we have anything or inspirational
Congratulations,
message?
good luck.
Zoniarc offers like luxury items, anything, even the rarest. So we have pre-orders, we are open to consignees, and then we are also having like layaway.
Yeah.
And soon, just like what Mayor Vilma advised us a while ago, maybe we can do trade-ins or buy and sell. We have jewelries, we have cosmetics, we have perfumes,
Perfumes, makeups,
bags,
everything.
sandals,
Yeah, sandals,
shoes, even diamonds.
Yeah.
Yes. Binibase ko lang siya kung paano yung personality ko, and then naghahanap talaga ako ng unique piece of bag talaga. And then saka idol ko si Miss Hardy talaga. Doon ako nakakuha ng inspiration.
Okay.
Please visit us and support us here at Zoniarc, located at Centers Building, Greenfields, San Fernando, Pampanga. Dito po sa Zoniarc, we offer 100% authentic items. If proven fake, we can refund your money 2 times back.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
And we're in Pampanga. Congratulations, Zoniarc!
Congratulations, Zoniarc.
So, ayun nga guys, we have witnessed yung ribbon cutting at saka grand opening ng Zoniarc today. And I wanna tour you, ano ba yung mga makikita natin dito? So, sabi nga dun sa interview kanina, we have bags, jewelries, shoes. Even if you find something sa magazine and you wanna order it, dito po, pwede silang orderin. Yan, mga Gucci shoes. Siyempre, meron tayong Louis Vuitton. Cannot touch. Cannot be touched. Look at this bag. Actually, kanina akala ko necklace siya. We also have some perfumes. Ayan, mga Jo Malone. Legit. We have Chanel, Gucci. Then isa siya magkano lang yun lang sa 500 ka rin. Okay naman yun. Okay na. 9 clear. Shout out.
Siya lang mga ano ni Idol. Dito.
Shout out. Magpapalit na ako ng camera bag. Kasi yung camera bag ko na to, actually this is Lazada 1.2.
Compared to this.
Comparing this one, 400, more than 450,000. 450,000 for this camera bag. Papalit na ako.